Yeah, that's Sashma featuring Toolkid. My money back. Make more cash.
Wana osa nze kwanza uboni money back. Bata masala benya uboni money back. Kena karabanka kibata money back. 9mm kibata money back. Money back, wana ubata money back. Money gele hustler utera money back. Money back, wana utera money back. My dream car Lamborghini mpata money back. Money back, nagibata 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 money back. Isimeli di gangsta bata money back. Onera ma hustler nyaka money back. Renzene nera bata money back. Money back, wana nyaka money back. Banana bus talala bata money back. Bagata cash time bata money back. Iteration tele bata money back. Let's pop champagne, how about the money back? Money back, nagibata money back. 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 Holla to them chicks, how about the money back? Scheme my dekane, how about the money back? I got your money, nagibata money back. Money back, nagibata money back. I got politics to be getting money back. My talent's so clean, nagiwa for money back. Nachala bagadita, nagibata money back. I dribble all day, nagibata money back. Money back, 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 nagibata money back. Chain zama hipidi mpata money back. Onera ma hustler buwa money back. AK-47 kibata money back. 24/7 take bata money back. Money back, nagibata money back. Tweza in the game tampata money back. Uhana level sibu mwana pufa money back. Don't keza chelete olora money back. Money back, nagibata 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 money back. Let's keep it calm, get moolah, moolah. For now still got your money. They say money in the bank, why moolah? I'm on the paper checks, nigga, why money? Where's moolah, bitch? I need a moolah. I want that money, ain't got enough money. Yeah, money, ain't enough my nigga. Bill Gates, the seeds ain't your money. Money back, nagibata money back. Money back, nagibata money back. Money back, nagibata money back. Money back, nagibata money back.
I say 4 step down, niggas go being down. I killed this track because I wanted money back. Niggas going dead, I killed this track because it can't make get these niggas say that track. Everybody hands I wanna steal it, nigga call me God, I listen. Everybody wanna kill this track. Even though I came because I got a track. Everybody's nigga call that wanted money back, huh?